Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Jose Serrano from Jose Serrano Special Vehicles. You remember Angry Grandpa Don? He fired it 260 times before he passes out after 2017. You remember Pig and Brute? And the Guardians have posted the video about all Angry Grandpa fires videos. Go see the video about the Guardians Plus Monsters playlist. Before I begin this video, let me have a discussion. If you fire with the people, that's strike one. If you get a little bit close, if you're too close, that's strike two. If you fart a burp, that's strike three. Alright, so here's the video about the Warhog and the Zogwin of Angry Grandpa All Fires compilation video on 216 times. So here we go. Grab some water, stand up, keep moving, and enjoy the show. This show time.
Can't believe you didn't get her.
That's what I got her.
Start treating me better than this shit. Cause I ain't.
Oh! You win!
Oh my God. I really smell the burn here, her. How about that? Bitch?
That was fucking gross.
Ah, goddamn. Oh, goddamn.
That's a horrible smell.
Oh, goddamn. Oh, my God.
fucking nasty. God, this is so gross.
But that was my hammer! Okay. See that? Alright, that's what I'm talking about.
That's what the hell?
Yeah. Oh. Look at.
Oh man.
Oh. Oh.
Oh. Gross.
Oh my God. Oh.
Jeez.
God damn. Oh my God.
Like Dan Roach over here doing the motherfucking backstroke.
Oh my God.
Okay, now listen to me.
God dang.
That's like a snake. Like that's his like warning. Like a rattlesnake. Was chicken. Okay, what the? Oh God. Oh God.
Oh my God.
God damn, man.
Jesus.
Ooh. Oh, immediately stung.
Ooh. You just fart?
Yeah.
Oh Jesus Christ! Why did you do that for? God. She hissing you? Did you fart? Yeah.
What a day. Oh my God.
God, you're lucky it's so noisy out here.
There's enough.
You're not gonna.
Fart in my house.
Because it felt good.
Dad, what?
Oh my God.
Okay, that was wet. Okay. Oh my! I want my shit! I want my fucking shit!
Let me see something in my ass. Nope, ain't there.
How's that make you feel?
Oh! I feel that way.
Hey, Michael,
You know something?
you want to think about you, though?
What? Ah. Oh God!
Ew.
You know me. I don't give a shit.
Do it. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na.
You know what they want that?
Going.
Gotta go boo-boo.
Did you fart?
Yep.
Oh my God.
God damn, boy.
It truly is.
That'll wake up the dead. Oh.
I'm not breathing.
Quit. No, we're doing.
Come on, I'm out here.
I got something they can choose.
Oh God.
You gonna do it right next to the grill? Later, Pop.
Oh, Mike.
Jesus, dude.
Hey, Michael.
Oh God.
Turtle! That fart wake up anybody!
I'm just trying to shut you up. Oh, come on!
Dad's still jealous because of the package I got. Oh God.
And these are the pictures me and you got signed. Oh, my. Look at that.
Oh.
Ah, goddamn. Oh, wow.
Ew. Oh my God! Holy shit!
That hurt.
It sounded like
That hurt.
Damn, man, you had a leg lift on that one.
You know anything about that? Goodbye, Barack. Goodbye, Barack. I just voted for you. I don't want to. Have a safe trip.
Oh, God, why?
I'm not again. Michael, why you do that again, boy? Oh!
God. You just farted in my face.
My butt hurts! You piece of shit!
What the hell was that?
I farted! Give me a kiss.
I think he just shit his pants.
You don't think somebody's bringing back Hulk Hogan, right?
That's what I think of Hulk Hogan.
What?
Yep. Mommy gave me.
Oh. Damn.
Mommy gave me his phone.
Oh.
Come on, girl.
Oh. Oh my God.
Oh, hell yeah. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Yeah, boy.
Oh.
Had a burrito for lunch.
I'm out.
I don't know what's gonna be worse, that fart or the prank we got planned for Bridget.
The prank we got.
Obviously, the fuck.
Oh, goddamn, that hurt. Oh. Why don't you shut up?
Oh.
Hey, you know what I think about you, goddamn Hulk Hogan? That was for you, Hogan.
Oh. Whoa, what is this thing? Did you fart at the same time I
Oh, God.
Turn it off, Bridget. Okay. Jesus, man! Ah, God, Jesus, scared the fuck out of me. Bro! You're making a brand new fart compilation on your own.
Oh, God. Dude. Morning farts are the worst.
God.
Oh.
Kakutumo.
I just got him to go away.
I don't know, dude. It causes gas.
That'll ward off any zombies. Wait. Yeah, okay.
That's a dumper sticker.
Oh, my God.
That's a dumper sticker.
Oh,
Your dad went from bumper
oh
sticker
my
to
God.
dumper sticker.
I gotta get out.
No, I don't think so.
I couldn't have it. I had to fart.
Get out.
Oh, God. Oh, Michael, here's them.
Oh, my God.
Yeah, that was an Ebola fart.
Oh, my God. Oh.
Jesus. You want
That was a good taco.
another one?
Oh, my God.
Yes, that.
God. Do it up. Oh, hell. That don't go in. I hope Michael don't see that going in sweet potato pie. Woo. Oh, damn.
What are you doing? Oh, good God.
I'm out.
Oh.
Get out of my house.
You did that on purpose. Jesus Christ.
Oh, my God.
What do you think? This is Hanukkah? You get a present every day? Oh my god!
God!
Yeah, I love you, son. Come here, I love you. Okay. No! Let go of me! Oh my god. I like that one right here.
Oh, Joey, that's some nasty shit.
Day I don't feel like doing anything. Oh, God, you're gonna hit the... Oh my God. I don't know what's a bigger blowout, the biscuits exploding or your ass. Hey, my ass alone. Oh, okay. Okay, something's
What's
going
going on with your ass?
Your ass is starting to sound like a super soaker that's running out of water. Yeah. Oh, God. You can fart on command at this point, dude. I mean, this is crazy.
You leave my ass alone, all right?
What did I do for you to do this?
Doesn't matter.
Oh, my God, dude. That's pure yumbo.
That was Jumbo. Hey, that's what the boys want to do. What?
Fart in the snow?
I think it's snow.
I think it's all starting to melt.
Oh, you're a funky bastard.
Oh, my God.
You're a funky bastard.
The king is back.
Pop, what are you doing? Oh, my
Oh my God! That one had a personality.
God damn, this fuck.
Oh! That was wet. Get away! What the fuck?
God, dude.
That's that bacon pizza.
Okay.
Jesus.
Fuck, I just said it. God damn.
Is that you? Oh, I should get that a tramp stamp. You're gonna tramp.
Dude.
Oh my God.
The fuck's your problem? You know what? You what I give it up. One fart up. Oh God. Oh God.
Michael, let's go.
But fuck it, I don't give a goddamn. You don't think it's dumb.
Good God.
Oh my
Damn.
God.
Oh! You did it on purpose, you son of a bitch.
Okay.
Dude, that was like a double one. Wow.
That sounded wet.
It was. You're never gonna get. Oh! Oh!
That was a Jimmy Kimmel.
Okay.
Oh!
Okay.
Both of y'all okay?
Oh, come on. Oh my.
It's a joke! Shoot. Oh! He farted! Oh, God! Oh, my God! Oh, Jesus Christ! You're stinkier, meaner, and more bitter than ever. Grand.
I just sprayed my house.
What is going on with you today?
My stomach is like, wow.
This is one stinky birthday.
Some toffee flavored vodka.
She'll zoom in.
You ready to work?
Oh my God!
Okay.
Oh, God.
That's a crazy fan moment right there.
Did you just fart again? Dude, you
farted again.
Dude, let's just.
I'm out of a storm. He's farting right now and he's laughing about it. Oh my god.
There's your hug.
You guys. Jesus Christ!
Kind of like the beginning of Iron Man.
That's what I think about that.
What's he doing?
Oh, God, man.
Right, I'm sick of this shit with you. You think this is funny, dude?
Oh.
Oh, Jesus. Ow! Hey, get that. What is with you? I don't know, man. Wait. Woo! God almighty. How do I keep doing it?
Oh, that was not in the recipe.
That wasn't the recipe. You didn't.
Oh man.
You keep laughing, I'll show you what's funny.
What does that mean? I don't think so.
We're going to do it.
Okay, fine.
It's like a defense mechanism.
Dad.
She farts like me.
She pooped her pants when she did.
I bet you poop your pants.
Oh my god.
That was gross.
Oh god. Same old grandpa, same old smell.
Ooh.
Whoa. Let's get you out of here. Come on.
That's rotten. I'm telling you, that's...
Did you just fart again?
No.
Yeah, he did.
I saw him like shifting around inside the car. Right on Bridget's cake. Right on the cake. You proud of yourself?
Yeah, I am.
Ew.
I love you, too, Mike.
Your fucking ass sounded like it was hollowing out. You're gonna get your...
Oh my god.
Oh, that scared the shit out of him.
You know what that is, right?
Oh, God.
You know what that is, right?
Yeah, that's stink bait.
No, that's bait for these people. Catch it. Okay. That's what I think of it.
That's fine.
Oh, man.
Jesus.
God damn.
I turned up, right when I turned on the camera, oh, God,
Mike.
Oh my god. All right.
Now there you go.
Oh,
Oh, that was
you
shit.
were way too close to
You
get
shit.
going.
Did you hear that?
That's not a whip.
God dang.
That's my compliment to Pizza Hut.
I believe you. I think you.
Jesus.
Oh my god.
I just christened your house. I think there's a lot more coming too.
Oh, God, no! Bro, we did it again! Oh! Dad just freaking farted, and it is bad this time.
Ah.
Oh! Did you miss that, Mom? I didn't want to talk. I just wanted to film that disgust. And you lifted your damn leg?
Oh my god.
Unbelievable.
I'm glad we got a long one on camera.
All right.
Oh my god.
Oh,
That way you can remember me.
I got fart.
Oh, good.
Oh my lord.
Oh my god.
That's a barn burner.
Okay.
Dude, that was like a double one.
40 seconds.
I'll give him a minute. God.
Oh my god.
That's it for the video, guys. Before I end this video, I have a discussion. Please don't fart in the country, such as the public. Just try you always just go in the bathroom just like me. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time from Jose Serrano Special Vehicles.